To get started with the 10-key mastery and not need to purchase an access code, go to the website keyboardingonline.com, type in your school ID, which is DMAC1, no capitals, no spaces, and you will be taken to the menu to choose which textbook you're working from. Click 10-key mastery, choose your class, choose your name, type in your password, and log in. The first thing you're going to notice is that these up here, the user information does not need to be filled in because you're already in the class. The setup is interesting in the sense that it will tell you the grading scale. 8,000 or better keystrokes per hour is an A, 6,000 a B, 4,000 a C, 2,000 a D. To recap, you will have the information for each lesson. The accuracy has to be 97%. That is the requirement in the Des Moines area for students. Once you have filled that out, you can go back to the class site and choose the introduction. The introduction here is very useful in that it tells you the 10 secrets of 10 key skills, which is to sit up straight, keep your eyes on the correct copy, use correct fingering, keep a rhythm, and eliminate errors properly. Unlike the alpha keys, you can backspace here. So go through each one of these steps. Learn that the home row is 4, 5, 6. You configure on the 5 key. There is a small dot, so without looking, you can sense where it is. Go through each one of those steps, then begin the lessons. When you come to the lesson section, it's going to ask you to put in an access code. But you do not need to purchase an access code for the 10-key mastery. All you need to do is click on close. See the little here down at the bottom? Click close and it will take you to the lessons that you are required for this class. To get started with these lessons, click on time remaining. That starts the clock. Using the correct fingering, go through each one of the numbers, putting in the number, then using your little finger for the enter key. Be sure to use your little finger. Don't cheat, don't look. Try to do it without looking at the keypad. This is a great skill to have. Now the 10 keypad is exact opposite of the telephone, which has the 1 at the top and the 7 at the bottom. Now notice I made a mistake there. I cannot go back and correct it once I have hit the enter key. But had I not hit the enter key, I could, say for example here, if I wanted to, I could use the backspace key and put in the correct number. So this will work. You need to be speed and accuracy, a great skill to have. The time remaining is out. I have a score here of 6,419 with 98% accuracy. As long as it's over 97%, it counts. So you are now ready to get started. Remember, when it asks for an access code, simply click close.